Not only is cloudy pool water uninviting, it's also a breeding ground for dangerous bacteria. By understanding what causes your pool water to go cloudy and why, you'll be able to keep your water clean and healthy. You might be wondering, why is my pool water cloudy? If you've got cloudy or milky pool water, there are a few key things that can contribute. But first, let's check the state of your pool water. The first stage is dull. You'll hardly notice this stage, but this is when your pool water starts to lose its luster. The next stage is hazy. This is when you can see the bottom of the pool, but you're unlikely to see details. The next stage after that is cloudy. This is when you can see the bottom in the shallow end, but you probably can't see the bottom in the deep end. The next stage after that is milky. This is when you can't see the bottom in the deep end and your pool water has a milk-like appearance. And finally, in its most extreme case, your pool water can become opaque, which means you can't see the bottom at all. Yuck. Joining me today is our resident pool water quality expert. So, what makes a pool go cloudy?
Well, there are many potential reasons why your pool may have gone cloudy. The first factor is water chemistry, or the state of the water. So if you have incorrect chlorine levels, incorrect pH levels, high calcium hardness, or even high metal content, this can all lead to your pool becoming cloudy.
And also equipment failure or equipment inefficiency can cause cloudy pool water?
That's right. If your salt chlorinator is worn or broken, it can lead to less or even no chlorine production for your pool. The same for your chlorine and pH pumps. Check the wearable parts of your pump, like the injection tube, to see if it needs to be replaced.
And it's not uncommon for equipment to fail, especially as it gets older.
That's right. Your pool circulation system can fail as it ages or become damaged due to incorrect chemical levels or even neglect. If your pool's filter can't remove contaminants as well as it should, that can also lead to cloudy pool water.
And it's going to lead to a whole range of other pool water problems.
Yeah, absolutely.
If you want to find out more, click the link above. Not everyone's pool looks as clear and inviting as this one does right now. If someone's pool has gone cloudy, what can they do about it?
Well, the most important thing is to take action immediately. This means getting your water tested.
Regular water testing of your pool water can help identify problems before it gets cloudy or green, and help with any problems further down the track.
Keeping your chemicals at the levels recommended by your equipment supplier can increase the lifespan of your equipment and help prevent wear and resulting cloudiness.
Yeah. Filtration system problems are mostly preventable, so keep your filtration system healthy by checking for worn or broken parts. Hopefully that answers any questions you might have about what causes a pool to go cloudy. If you have this problem at home, we strongly recommend getting your pool water tested. Pool water testing is free at any Poolwerx. If you don't know the location of your nearest Poolwerx, simply click on the link above to find out.